Today, I'm going to teach you how to save conversations in Gemini Google AI Studio. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to keep track of your AI interactions and revisit previous conversations later on. First, open your web browser and head to istudio.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the Google account that you want to associate with your AI Studio workspace. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the AI Studio dashboard. Here, look for the option that says Chat with Models and click on it. This is where you'll be interacting with Google's AI models and where we'll enable the conversation saving feature. Now, I should mention that I've already enabled conversation saving on my account, and there's a 72-hour waiting period required before I can disable it again. So I'll walk you through the steps as if I'm setting it up for the first time, but keep in mind that the toggle might look different on your screen if you haven't enabled it yet. In the upper left corner of your screen, navigate to the Playground section. Once you're there, you should see an option labeled Enable Saving. Go ahead and click on that. This action is crucial because it tells Google AI Studio that you want to store your conversation history rather than having it disappear after each session. A pop-up dialog will appear asking you to select your Google account. Choose the account you want to use for saving these conversations. This step ensures that your chat history is securely stored and accessible only to you through that specific Google account. Next, direct your attention to the right panel of the interface. You'll notice an icon labeled Temporary Chat. Click on this icon to enable the conversation saving feature. By toggling this on, you're switching from temporary, unsaved chats to permanent, stored conversations that you can access anytime. To test that everything is working correctly, type a prompt into the text field. It can be anything you'd like to ask the AI. Once you've entered your prompt, click the Run button or press Ctrl-Enter to submit it. The AI will respond, and this entire exchange will now be saved to your history. Finally, to view your saved conversations, navigate back to the left panel and click on Playground again. From there, select View All History. You'll now see a list of all your saved conversations, including the one you just created. This history feature makes it easy to reference past interactions and continue conversations from where you left off. And there you have it, you've successfully enabled conversation saving in Google AI Studio. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.